welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone doing safe. I have booked a rain cover in a Bike and Biker app. This is the cover we have received, so I'm going to unbox this now and see how it is going to be look. Let's go. We can see this orange and black color. Raida gears. Yeah, you can see this one. Double XL it is for TRK 502 with panniers and top box. If you're keeping, you have to book the double XL. And this is the back. In this we have the rain cover. So alright guys, this is the next day because we have done the unboxing at the night time. So this is the next day in the morning. So we will see, we'll put the cover on the bike and see how well it fits. Okay, let's see. Here you can see the Raida name, black and orange. They have given a space to lock the cover as well, so we got this number lock and we'll lock it. So this is how you can lock it so that cover will not get be theft by anyone. So nobody can rob your cover. So it fits very well. It is touching till tire and it's covering till tire from top to bottom. Here also you can see. So the double XL will fit the bike very well. Okay, you can see the cover fits very well on the bike. You can see everything is covered, engine, tires. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll come back with the next video. Until then, see you soon.